Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Globe. In today's tutorial we are going to find out together how we can create a quiz with images in WordPress. So if you're interested, let's without losing time move forward to our tutorial. So for this video we're going to try out the plugin on TestWP, which allows you to sign up to a free demo site. It's free and you don't even need to register to WordPress. So for this video, we'll be needing the Quizmaker plugin, and as you can see, I have already installed and activated the plugin, so you need to do so. Then here you can see that I have already created a quiz. For adding a new quiz, you need to just here click on Add New button. But as I have already created quiz, let's learn on this one. Let's click on Edit, and here we'll learn how to add a quiz image. So you can see that I have already added mine. My quiz is about IQ. It is IQ test, and I added my image. You can just delete it like here, and you need to click on this edit image. From upload files, you can select files from your computer, from PC, and insert your image into your post, and this is how you can do it. And besides adding image to your quiz, you can add also images to your questions. So let's find out how you can do it now. So for that, we need to move forward to our questions tab, and as you can see, I am already in there. Here I have a question created, and you can create your own question just by clicking on this Add New button. But let's explain everything on the created one. Let's click on Edit. For example, this question: what is the capital of Great Britain? And here, for adding an image to your question, you need to click on just here, Add Image, and again from upload. From your files, you need to upload the image. This is it. And here also, if you want to add image to your answers, because you can also add image to your answers, you need to scroll down here. Here we have the answer section, and you need to just here add one. Here you can type your answer, and from here you can add your image. Again, with the same way. Okay, and this is how you can do it. After doing everything here, you need to click on Save, and your questions will be ready. So this is how you can do it. And now let's see the results. For that, we need to go to the front end of our website, and now let's see the results. So this is the results, this is our quiz, and this is how you can do it. So this was it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.